Okay, boys and girls, I am in canva.com. The link is on the Canvas website. Two different things. If you have an account, you can log in. Otherwise, you'll need to sign up. And please do that with Google. Follow their instructions. While you do that, I'm going to log in with Google because I already have an account. And both of us will get to this home page. And so here in the search bar, please type exactly this. You can see I've typed it before. Get to know me. Instagram story. Please type exactly that. There are thousands of templates in here that you can get lost in for days. And I want you to finish this assignment and then you can go play. So when you enter that, they have a limited number of templates here. I would like you to choose one from this screen, unless you have your heart really set on something else that you found, and you can email me and let me know. So I want you to answer for this assignment 5 questions, make up 5 questions or use their questions. So some of these, this one here, Ask Me Anything, isn't the best, although you can use the background and add questions in there. But you're making it a little bit harder for yourself. Get to know me here. This blue one is great. This kind of pink one with blobbies. My list of currents, all about. And so you can change the questions. You can change everything about this. So I'm going to start with this one just to show you some of the things you can do with Canva. So first of all, I'm clicking on the whole thing and I can change the color. If you're not into the pink and you want blue, you can click on any text box that they have here and change the size. Oop, I just made it so small you can't even see it. Right here is the undo button. Really important to know where that is. Let me make it something a little bit smaller. So see how it went down a little bit smaller. I can change the font there. I can also over here add text with like kind of a cool font here, bring it up. So if you scroll down here, there's all kinds of fonts that you can use. Take your pick. So then the delete button will get rid of any of that. I don't need this text box. I think I'll write my name on this Cheers font. Please put your name on this. This picture is, but I'm going to get rid of that. And let me see, maybe I'll insert a photo that I find here. I love this dog, so I'll put him up here. Doesn't really look like my dog, but he's good. I'll move my font down a little bit, my name. Put doggy there. Okay. So let me make this a little bigger so you can kind of see the questions a little bit better. So you can change these questions. Maybe you want to say every day after school and then you can go here and you'll need text. Probably the easiest thing to do for your text in here is add your subheadings, and then you can change the size, maybe 24, a little bit bigger. And I can put this in here and type every day after school I go to football. I don't, but maybe you do, or maybe you used to before coronavirus. If you don't really like these yellow letters, you could make them black. If you didn't want this yellow box behind it, you could delete it. You can, like I showed you, change the questions, type your answers, whatever you want, okay? I'm gonna make a blank template and pass it on. So have fun with all of the features over here. Elements, let's see. I could add shapes and stickers. Whoa, he got pretty big. Where'd he go? There's all kinds of things that you can play with. So have fun with it, but make sure you get the assignment done. So that's the first page where you answer 5 questions. You can make up your own questions or keep the questions you find on a template. The choice is yours. Then you are going to add a second page, add a new page. And so that kept the same color background. If you wanted to change it to get a different template, you could. Just dragging it over gives you a different color, a different template, whatever. Make it a little smaller so we can see it now. So you can see page 1, page 2. Now you don't want too much going on this template because this is your collage where you are going to put 5 pictures that represent you. You could have pictures to represent the answers to these questions. You can upload actual pictures of you, your family, your dog, or you can use photos, millions of them. Let's see, I want a picture of the beach because I like the beach and we're not there anymore because school started. So there's a picture of the beach, but I don't want it that big. I'm going to do that. If it has this pro on it, that means that there's a cost to it. So you don't have to pay for anything for this. You can use it, but you saw it had the watermark on it. Oh, I like the pineapple guy, so I'll put him over there. Come on. So sometimes you just have to play with it. But I probably wouldn't want 5 beach pictures, but just showing you if you want a picture of your dog and you don't have a photo of him and you want to look in here. Maybe you don't even have a dog, but you love dogs and those are cute puppies. You can, as I was doing, change the size. You can tilt them. You can overlap them, however you want. A collage of 5 pictures and an all about me with 5 questions that you answer. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have fun doing this, and it will be due when I see you next week on B-Day.